Hello everyone, welcome to Sara Thursday. I am Sara. Today I would like to introduce and distinguish many kinds of masks in the market. The first part is this. For example, the KN95 face mask. The letter KN means the country standard. For example, the N95, the N letter means the American standard, the KN is Chinese standard, and the FFP is European standard. About the protective rate is related with the number behind the letter. For example, the KN95 means the protective rate from the virus is 95%. Here we can make a summary. The FFP3 is better than FFP2, is better than N95. But the N95 is totally same as the KN95, and the KN95 is better than KN90. Generally, the N95 and KN95 face mask is enough for us to protect from the COVID-19. If you want to get the medical surgical face mask, you can get the YY0469-2010 and the YY0469-9011. These two is the usual surgical medical face mask in the market. Today's show is over. Thanks for your watching. See you next week.